Okay everybody, so today I'm going to be putting on the Gibson exhaust, and here it is out of the box. The muffler itself, and then the two tips that go on it that you can put on after once you've got the muffler in place. As you see, I've got a 1/2 inch wrench, 14mm wrench, 15mm socket, and some lubricant to get the hangers off, gloves, and a little mat. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing is going under here, and I'm going to be taking that off. That's where I use the 15mm socket, and then up on this side and on this side there are hangers that I'm going to be taking off after I spray them with lubricant, make it a lot easier. I don't have a hanger removal tool, so I'm going to use just strength, and then I might use a long screwdriver. Alright, so I'm going to get this taken off and then put the others on. Okay, it's all out. There's the one hanger, there's the exhaust port, the other hanger, and I am going to tell you, not going to lie, it was a bitch to get out. Kind of, original seal on it. Just had to put some lubricant under there and then wiggle it out for about 10 minutes. Alright, next step, putting it on. Okay, so got that part in. The exhaust connects up. Here's the rest of it. Now I'm going to put in the two hangers, get those situated on each side, and then tighten it all down. I've got the hangers taken off, taken off of the original muffler, which was a pain in the butt. If you have a hanger puller, that's great. If not, it's going to take you probably about 5 minutes or so. The bolts were tightened on. This piece right here on the original one was kind of hard to get off. What I did was, once I loosened it up and I took off the hanger off of this side, and then I took off the hanger on this side, and then I just wiggled it back and forth until I got it out. Probably took about 10 minutes to get all this off, including these hangers, the hanger rubbers, and then put these back on. When I put this back on, I tightened it up, got it all where I wanted it to, and then it was still movable. So you got to really wrench down on that. That's 14mm socket, or you can use a wrench. And I've got it tightened down. I'll check on it and see if I have anything leaking. If I do, then I'll go back and I'll put in that leak, exhaust leak stuff. But other than that, it is all in here, right here. I'm gonna go put the tips on and then show you how it looks. All right, so here it is. That is the finalized version of installing the Gibson dual exhaust for the JKU with the 4-inch tips. That is what it looks like. Very easy, nice and clean. I did want to leave these out a little, as you can see right there. I left them out, and what I did is when I bolted it on, you can see that the bolt is right along underneath the rear bumper. So that way I measured them out to be the exact same right here. So that's it. It's pretty clean. A lot less stuff underneath there. Hopefully it's a little bit less weight, and obviously going to have a nice throaty exhaust. Okay, so I'll start it up, and then here's the stock exhaust. Okay, now I'm going to do a start again, and then I'm going to do some reps.